In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Instantly. By the end, you'll have your Zoho inbox ready to use inside Instantly, so you can launch campaigns with a professional sender identity and clean account setup. First, open your browser and go to instantly.ai. Sign into your Instantly workspace so you're on the dashboard. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you connect an inbox. A quick tip, keep your Zoho Mail details handy so you can move through the flow without stopping. Once you're in Instantly, look for the option to add a mailbox. Click Add New. You'll usually find this at the top right or within the email account section. If you don't see it immediately, try looking for a plus icon or a button labeled Add New Account. It's the same action. You'll land on a Connect Existing Account screen. Here, choose the option for any provider using IMAP SMTP. This is Instantly's flexible connection path, and it works great for Zoho Mail. Even if Zoho isn't listed as a one-click provider, IMAP SMTP is the reliable, standards-based way to connect. Now, select single account. This is the simplest route when you're linking just one Zoho mailbox. Bulk options are meant for uploading multiple inboxes at once. For our purposes, single account keeps things clear and focused. Next, enter your first and last name. This is your display name, the name recipients see in their inbox. Use a professional format that matches your brand. For example, you might use your full name or your name plus your company. Keep capitalization consistent and avoid special characters so you look polished. Then enter the email address of the Zoho Mail inbox you want to connect. Double check spelling and make sure you're using the exact address you intend to send from. If your Zoho account has aliases, pick the one that represents your outreach best. Accuracy here prevents delivery mishaps later. When everything looks correct, click Next. Instantly will guide you through the remaining connection details on the following screen. Take a moment to review any prompts carefully and keep your information consistent with how your Zoho mailbox is set up. If something doesn't look right, it's fine to go back, adjust, and continue. That's it for the initial connection flow. To recap, go to instantly.ai, click Add New, choose the IMAP SMTP option under Connect Existing Accounts, select Single Account, enter your first and last name, type in your Zoho email address, and click Next. You're well on your way to having Zoho Mail connected to Instantly and ready for outreach.